ब्लैक स्वान समिट रे राष्ट्रपति द्रौपदी मुर्मू, राज्यपाल डॉक्टर हरिबाबू कंभमपति, मुख्यमंत्री मोहन चरण माझी एही सम्मेलन रे अतिथि भावे जोग दैछन्ते।
I am happy to know that it has brought together policymakers, technologists, financial institutions, and investors on a single platform who have deliberated over 2 days on various topics, ranging from AI and fintech innovation to sustainable finance, digital public infrastructure, and empowerment of small and medium enterprises. Today, we are living in a time when technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. New innovations arrive so rapidly that our systems, skills, and business models often struggle to keep up. Automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are transforming every sphere of life: education, healthcare, jobs, and business. At the same time, these rapid advancements can also bring serious challenges, including cybersecurity threats, deepfakes, misinformation, and an increasing dependence on technology. However, the rapid technological changes have a huge positive impact on innovation and growth. Through events such as this summit, innovative methods can be explored to leverage technology's further enhancing capabilities through skilling, generate employment, and accelerate the digital and financial transformation. Ladies and gentlemen, in the past decade, India has witnessed an impactful innovation in the financial system.
प्राइम राग एमिति जी मन को निजर करिने प्राइम चिली पाउडर.
India is the fastest growing major economy in the world. Our country is moving towards becoming the world's third largest economy in the near future. This has been possible due to enabling policies of the Government of India, supported by innovations in digital and financial systems. In the past 11 years, more than 57 crore Jan Dhan accounts have been opened across the country, which is a revolution in access, trust, and wide participation of people. Today, with a simple smartphone and a basic bank account, a woman receives welfare benefits directly in her account, a farmer receives payment on time, and a small kirana shop accepts digital payments from any customer. For them, fintech is not a technical term. It has become their lifeline. India's fintech story should be remembered not only as a tale of technology, but also as that of gender justice. Women constitute an important segment that requires focused attention for the promotion of fintech. Fintech must view them not only as end users, but as leaders, professionals, and entrepreneurs. Today, more than 56% of Jan Dhan accounts are held by women. Therefore, for every new platform, product, or policy, it needs to be evaluated if it makes women active participation in the digital and financial ecosystem. An inclusive fintech ecosystem is one in which women are visible at every level, from village entrepreneurs and banking correspondents to engineers, founders, and board members. I am happy to know that separate session was held on scaling women's skills and supporting women-led SMEs in the summit. Even as there are achievements to be proud of, there are known and unknown challenges that need to be overcome. Fintech does not guarantee inclusion on its own. fintech. Therefore, fintech does not guarantee inclusion on its own. There continue to be citizens, especially in remote, tribal, and rural areas, who are not conversant with the digital tools.
सीधासलख ब्लैक स्वान समिट कार्यक्रम आप सीधासलख देखुले दृश्य राष्ट्रपति निजर वक्तव्य रखुले।